each with 100 watts. Stable output without power reduction. Foldable plug pins. Now there's a high-powered charger tailored specifically for drone enthusiasts. In the past, using phone chargers for the charging hub took hours to fully charge. Or worse, the power kept dropping during charging. Charging speed is getting slower. The LKTOP Dual USB-C power adapter, specially designed for drone charging. Not only does it deliver a stable 100 watts charging output, but it also maintains minimal temperature rise under full load, with powerful heat dissipation to protect your batteries. The foldable plug design. No more AC cord required, making travel carry more convenient. Most importantly, it features dual USB-C ports. You can charge the charging hub and remote controller simultaneously. And the price? Compared to others, this is definitely good value for money. LKTOP is committed to making drones charging faster and more portable. If you find the charging process for your drone too slow, it's essential to prepare such a charger with high power, no damage to the battery, and high-cost performance.